The mundane life is so healing. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. So here I am in Lannion, and it's a city in Brittany, in Bretagne. And I went to the library, and the library closed. So I just visited the garden of the library and remember the good old time I spent there. I still have some pictures of one of the beautiful book that I took a picture so that I can remember the author and the painting style. It gave me so much calmness when I feel that I am running out of inspiration. I feel I got too many things. I feel that my mind cannot calm down. I feel that I am unable to deal with all these things in life. Too many things in life. And sometimes the mundane life is the most healing. Do not look for inspiration. Do not look for something big, for something gigantic, something overwhelming. Look for a piece of peace, and that is it. Enjoy.